This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Karen Snell. Calusa Palms, rarely available first floor Key West floor plan. Bright, private yet spacious, this 2-bedroom plus den area is perfect for entertaining or relaxing and enjoying the Florida lifestyle. Kitchen updates include modern white cabinets, a newly installed quartz tabletop counter designed to allow for quick meals or added prep space, newer appliances, and brand new disposal. Enjoy preparing meals on your new high-end induction electric range. Special pots/pans are included. Brand new sliding patio doors allow for easy access to the screened-in lanai and peaceful preserve view. Great for enjoying a good book or entertaining friends. The master bedroom/ensuite bathroom has been updated with quartz countertops and new cabinetry. Same for the guest bathroom. Carefree vinyl flooring throughout the unit was recently installed. No hurricane damage to the unit. Calusa Palms is a friendly, gated community with a community pool, clubhouse, social activities, bocce, tennis, pickleball, etc. perfectly situated close to beaches, shopping, healthcare facilities, and restaurants. Start enjoying Florida living in this gorgeous unit. Make your appointment. This one shows well. For more information, review the details below.